A blimp lands at Spruce Creek. I fly 8 miles to Daytona International Airport in order to pick up a red box from a guy in a red shirt. Laura likes red peppers. So shiny. A T6 taxiing. Virtual cooking. A T6 on takeoff. Paella.
Creek traffic over Lancair on the roll on 6. Looking for 85 knots, I got it. Flaps, power coming up, positive rate of climb. All looking good. Gears up and stowed.
Approaching Daytona.
Daytona Tower, Lancair, November 400, Delta Lima with you.
Lancair 400, Delta Lima, Daytona Tower, continue.
Continue 400, Delta Lima.
Number 161, Julia Golf Tower. Number 0 Delta Lima, 25 right, clear land.
Clear land, 25 right, 0 Delta Lima.
Choice 125, turn right, 29.
All right, baby. 25 right.
172 Golf Tango, join the straight in for 25 left, contact the tower 118.1.
Straight in for 25 left, 118.1, 172 Golf Tango.
Challenger 1 Julia Golf, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
25 right, light. I was red 599 with you for the localized 25 right.
Evergrade 599, Daytona Tower, continue traffic's in position.
Yeah, 599.
Number 0 Delta Lima, stay parking.
Going to ATP, self-service.
Number 0 Delta Lima, roger, down the runway, the next left turn, ground point niner.
Next left turn, ground point 9er, 0400 Delta Lima.